Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Hot 60i, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So, to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top right side of the screen, which will bring down your toggles. And somewhere between here, you should have your Do Not Disturb mode. It will look like this moon icon right here. Now, if you don't see it anywhere, you can also swipe down in this section. This will extend the list of visible toggles and add names to them. And if you still don't see it, you can click on the plus right here and then scroll down. Here you'll find all the toggles that are not added to that list. So you can just click on the plus next to them. And as you can see, this gets added right here. And when you go back, you should now have access to the toggle. Now, when you see it in this list, hold it. And you can also then select more settings, and this will take you to the settings. Now, INFINIX for some reason doesn't have too many settings, but it does have some, like for instance, call notifications. So here you can select who can call you basically. And you have anyone, nobody, everyone, contacts, and favorites. So select whichever option you want. And we also have app notifications, as well as, if we go back, allow repeated callers. This is a semi-important option. It completely disregards your option right here. So assuming someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period and this toggle is enabled, they will bypass your options right here. It's a good thing to have enabled in case of emergencies. People will usually spam call the hell out of you till you pick up. So obviously they would fall under the 15-minute timer and you'd be notified that they're trying to reach you. So you can then pick up and obviously, I don't know that there's some kind of emergency. Now, another option in here is the schedule at the top. So when you enable this, you will get the options to set it up. Unfortunately, you can only have one schedule here. I'm not sure why we're limited, but you are only limited to one. The reason I'm kind of mentioning that is because other devices don't have that. You can set up as many as you like. But here you can only have one, so you can choose obviously the start and end time and then days of the week. And that's all you need to do. The device itself would then turn on and off the Do Not Disturb mode at a specified time, so the start and end time, and the specified days of the weeks. And you wouldn't need to do anything other than just have this enabled right here. But for everyone else who wants to enable this mode manually, occasionally, you would just find a toggle, tap on it, and you're good to go. Now, when you do this, the same way I did it right now by just tapping on a toggle, you will need to remember to turn it off by tapping on a toggle once again. Otherwise, this mode will run indefinitely in the background. But you can also hold it and it will give you the option to turn it on for several hours. So we can just toggle it on and then select, for instance, 4 hours. And at this point, this mode will automatically turn itself off after 4 hours. So you wouldn't need to remember about it. But anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful. And if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.